Hi all. In this video, we will discuss how to trigger a function on a button click in Odoo 15 development. So here, inside my custom module, you can see different student applications inside the model education.application. And here, you can see those records are in different states too. So suppose I'm opening a record which is in the verify state, and here you can see a button I have defined for verifying an application. So let us see how this function gets executed when I just click on this button, verify application. So first, let us see the technical name of this button upon mouse hovering this button. Here you can see the name of this function for this specific button is application underscore verify, the method. So inside my custom mode, inside my module, education application, I have defined that function application verify, and you can see I have given the docstring for that verifying the student application and returning a warning if no documents are provided, and if any documents are provided, we can move that into the next state, that is upload. So here you can see that I have iterated the record in a for loop, and here I am searching whether this record has any valid documents or not. Here you can see currently this record does not have any document. You can see the smart button count as 0, and so this will return a 0 value, that is it will return a false value since there is no records inside this record. So it will directly come into the else part and will raise a validation error, no documents provided. So this is our function for this button which will work on when I click on that button. So in the XML part, while defining that button, you can see my function here is application underscore verify. This is the button for that function. This button can be defined as a type as object also, or type as action, but that does not satisfy our condition here. So we'll have to define it as type as object and a class in order to give the style for the button, and this string parameter will hold the value which will be displayed on that button. Here you can see verify application, so that will be defined inside the string parameter, and the group for that button can limit that visibility of that button to specific group users, and the help will display why that button is for in the front end when we just mouse over, and the states will define in which state this button should be visible. So currently this button is in the verification state. You can see the verify stands for verification, hence that button is visible. So here we have defined the name as application underscore verify, and this name should be used as the method for that button. Here you can see I have defined the function like def the name of that button, application underscore verify. Now when I just run my program and when I just upgrade the module, education, here when I open the record, and currently you can see our function will return a warning when there is no records or documents provided upon clicking the verify application. Now I'm just clicking on that, and you can see the validation of no documents provided. Hence we understand that this function call was triggered, and it ended inside this, and this search for documents inside this record, it returned a negative value or a false value. Hence it came into this else loop, else, and raised this validation error called no documents provided. So this is how we can trigger a function based on button click in Odoo 15 development. For more queries or info, you can reach out us at info@cybrosys.com. Thank you.